Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the address book project using Python. Okay, so we have to enter the user details like first name, last name, email ID and the country. Okay, so we are just entering the one by one details like first name Yash, okay, last name Sony, then email ID yash@gmail.com. I'm just giving the demo details and the country like India. Okay, you can also, there is an option like you can also edit, delete, okay, submit, reset button, and this complete project is in web interface. Okay, this type of project we are developing related to computer science domain. If you have any doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.